Today we're down at Neerim going full driving, and we have a sick crew here. We've got 4 cars. We got Jim's D22, the man himself. We have Shorty and his rig here. The Hilux, we're just airing down. The D22, and we got a Shorty up here. It's gonna be a good day. Today's the first day I actually get to test out these massive shackles and the Colorado leaf springs, so we should get a shit ton of flex because I parked on a small hole before and it was like looking pretty good. All right, Bog Hole test 1. How's the backfire on it?
Here, send it.
That was actually a little deeper than I thought. Like he's got traps and big boy lift and stuff. Jim's gonna try and give it a go in the trusty D22. See if he can get through it. Alright, he wants to do it backwards. I don't know if he's doing this other hole or not. See what he does. Not bad, not bad.
Beautiful.
Alright, James is going to drive through this deep as hole that you can't really see on camera and get some sick wheel lift for the content. See what happens. Alright, should be good here. Did a bit of carnage to my shitbox sidestep on the way back down just then. All good. Now we're lining up for a bit of a photo. How good's that? Alright, so right now we're on Lizard track just after doing that easy as like rock steppy shit over there. And it looks kind of ruddy and a bit wet up there. So, you going up first?
Yeah.
You're gonna go up first? And then we'll get the Shorty to go up. I'll go up, and then we'll get grandson to go up the track, and we'll see how we all go. So this is where it sort of starts getting ruddy. Not too bad. I thought it was gonna be more, like way more wetter today. Sort of comes up here, bit of a deep rut there. You can't really see on camera. And then we have this where people seem to be getting stuck. So deep. See some tire marks, and that tree is absolutely covered in mud, so people are definitely sending it. Alrighty, James. See how he goes with his new locker. Oh. That was just too easy. Yep.
Go for it. Oh no! Might have to pull you down. I need help, boys!
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just try straight first. Hang on.
Might, yeah, go back.
I'll just move it a bit more that way. Yeah, like there.
Yeah. Ah. This is getting hold up here.
I reckon if we get there
Get that bit over.
a little bit harder, just turn onto the wall, so you can just pop those wheels up onto the wall. Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Get going. I'll just go the easy way. I think you can get it. You reckon? 100. Yeah. So, bro.
No, look at the flex.
Do you want to just fix that track up?
Fuck, so close. Full pin from there. Could almost. I don't reckon you'll fall in it, but.
Try and get that run in the middle.
Whoa! Yo!
No, I'm gonna get up. Keep going.
Let's take the chicken jack.
Yeah, we got up, but my step is now completely fucked.
That just means you need sliders.
I just need to get some sliders. I was gonna do it. I was always gonna do it, but I just didn't want to do it yet. But now it's gonna have to happen. Just a couple of bog holes to get out on this exit. I don't know how deep they are. We'll send the shorty through first.
He'll dig it up though, he's got bigger tires.
Yeah. What's that? That one looks fucking deep as.
That right line just rock solid.
Alright, I think we're going to be doing the easy one because this one is probably way too deep and it's kind of getting a bit late in the afternoon. I think I'm going to take this middle one if he gets through it easy.
He's going to dig it out though.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. See how much send he gets. It was kind of deep.
Easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, that's easy clean. Alright, surprisingly, didn't even get that dirty going through it. No snorkel had me a bit sketchy, but oh well. Alright, so I think Lockie's thinking about doing the big bog hole here. It's pretty deep in the shorty, and yeah, he's doing it. So, bit of send. Hopefully the camera doesn't die. Ready for some send. Dude, my camera's on low as, might die.
Gotta go now, it's now or never.
Yeah, the boys! It must have come in the roof. Yes. Yes, dude. All right, Jim is gonna give it a go. See if he gets through it. Smaller wheels, but has a front locker. So, see. It is pretty capable these days, and everyone seems to know him. And the camera is probably gonna die. Yeah, go. Yes! What a legend. So good. Yeah, the boys. You happy with that? Not bad. Alright guys, my camera actually died towards the end of there, just after that bog hole when James went through it. The day was super sick. The Hilux did some things that I didn't even think it could do. Let me know down in the comments section below what you thought of the Hilux, and do you want to see me head out more? I am going out next weekend as well. The car's getting wrapped right now as we speak. I've literally spent hours upon hours clay barring and washing it and getting it ready for the wrap. So hopefully next video the car is going to be wrapped. Also, I'm thinking about getting some jumpers made up. They'll be pre-order, and some stickers made up. So if you do want that, one of those, please let me know down in the comment section how bad you want them. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and if you are, thank you so much, and a massive shout out to the members. You guys know who you are. Peace.